Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Revolut Trading. Revolut Trading offers investment and trading features within the Revolut app. It's aimed at individuals wanting to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, often with a focus on ease of access and integration with existing banking features. Key features include fractional share trading and a relatively straightforward interface. Their website provides details on supported assets and fees. Revolut positions itself as a convenient all-in-one financial platform, highlighting ease of use and the integration with their existing banking services. They emphasize their competitive pricing structure, though specific fees vary depending on the asset and trading volume. The ease of use is achieved through a streamlined interface, accessible through both the web and mobile app. Availability is dependent on your location. Check their website for supported regions. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Revolut Trading. Getting started was incredibly easy. I already had a Revolut account, so accessing the trading features was just a matter of clicking a few buttons and verifying my identity. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly learned to buy and sell stocks. For example, I recently purchased a few shares of Tesla and the entire process took less than 5 minutes. The platform's speed and reliability were good, with trades executing quickly and information updating in real time. I had a quick question about a specific ETF and their customer support responded within 24 hours via in-app chat. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, particularly the portfolio overview. The standout feature for me was definitely the fractional share trading, allowing me to invest in more expensive stocks without needing a large upfront sum. One minor drawback was the slightly limited selection of ETFs compared to other brokers. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Revolut Trading. It's a great option for casual investors who appreciate a simple, integrated, and user-friendly platform. That's my overview of Revolut Trading. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.